Graduation. What do you think when you hear the word graduation? Job? The beautiful dresses? Or the fun and the excitement? Or the gifts that you receive? Well, you surely think about people you're going to leave soon and know how much they have created space within you. You are just going to miss everything because you lived to the fullest while you were here. You are proud of your own success and achievement, but still, you can't dare to think of leaving the place which gave you so much to remember. Nevertheless, heavy goodbyes are waved, and this vlog is going to take you to the beautiful ceremony of graduation at College of Natural Resources. And happy graduation to ourselves. Class of 2020, we did it. Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you for watching Odyssey with Samo. So before the actual graduation day, we have a day today, special day. So today we are going to thank our teacher for teaching us from the very beginning. We invited all the lecturers who taught us, yes, from first semester. So my friends are clicking pictures as of now. And that's the photo session going on. So this is the condition right now. We are waiting for our lecturers. Photo.
Odyssey semua.
Ediki, 강하잖아. Disaster. How do you feel? Everyone is getting ready for tomorrow. Read it. I wanna wear this one.
Sim, mangi wala chinga.
Hey, it's actually the D-Day today, the graduation day finally. I was really excited and he's really excited. So I'll just see you after a while. Hey! Oh my god, this feels a little awkward. I never put on such earrings, but I'm ready to go. Let's see how it goes today. We're moving finally. Girls are ready. How do you feel, guys? Sam처럼. Say much. Beautiful. Beautiful. You look beautiful. How do you feel?
Bir sonuç ürün.
I'm finally leaving this room. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.